My name is Onur Temir. I am a German artist with Southern roots. When I was a child, I realized that I never want to be a part of the mass. I was more interested to live a life in freedom. Something deep inside me was telling me that it is not right to work all your life, to waste all your precious time for a system that controls you. My soul was longing for something else. Nature, silence, and experiences like sport and traveling that provides me with new knowledge. In my opinion, life is about to be a movement, to flow like water and never get stuck in one place. I took the most important decision of my life in 2017. I decided to leave behind my life in my hometown Cologne. It was not easy for me to leave behind my friends and family, but my dream is to learn and feel the experience of every kind of sport that drags me, that gives me the feeling of freedom, and besides of that, to travel the world and see the most beautiful places. You are invited to be a part of my story. I decided to be a traveler, and this is my story.